OMG.
Under the edge.
Oh my gosh. OMG. Oh my god, look how deep. Hello.
You think I'll be able I did not just nearly fall in.
The shoes are full.
Oh no. Die.
So good, so good. Splash, splash.
Do it again.
No.
Do it again. I dare you, I mean, you have to do it.
Feels like I pissed myself.
Can't come in.
Oh, fuck. You know, I was back and running. I've got water dripping from my knickers.
Rock up.
You peed out.
Yeah. Rock up.
Yeah, I went there. Woo! Mud. Mud. Glorious mud. Nothing quite like it for growing bush. So follow me, follow. Down through the hollow. And there we can wallow in marvellous mud. Yes, thunder!
What if you get zapped by lightning?
Because we're near trees as well. Then we die. No, it's if you're on a if you're on like a flat, and you're like one of the only standing up things. Because it gets the tallest thing. So if we're in loads of trees, then it won't sit us like all trees then.
We're gonna get zapped by lightning
And die.
Can I
Be electrocuted and frazzled. The insides will burn. Do some rapping.
Oh, come on.
Shady's bet. We're normal. We're so normal.
I'm normal.
Alright, stop. Pajamas. Come here, little kitties.
On my left.
Let's see that with a brand new rap.
What? Hi.
Who's that?
Kendi.
Well, possibly didn't make noise. I'm touching everything. Little boy. My God, what's he getting this on?
I go a little bit crazy sometimes. I just feel out of control.
Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Are you ready?
He goes out with like our best mate.
Who's your best
You know
mate?
I told you about Evie?
Oh yeah.
Look at it, look at it, look at it!
Let's run to it.
And then we're gonna do like one next.
Pardon?
Yeah, like shake that shit. Look at me go. Go. Now you know you're my world right now. Ah! Too hard, right?
Okay, this is gonna be a good one. Hello! OMG, that'll go straight on my skirt. Oh my god! It's right. I'll do it again. 1 minute, I'm getting nearer. Okay. It's raining! Hug me! Hug me! Oh, nice big kiss. It's raining, my phone will get wet. So crazy. Can you imagine I was going to do this with no shoes on? Sophie? Sophie? Yeah. From the gaming? Yeah. Wow. Oh, let's make it bigger. Oh my god, it's a love heart! That puddle is a love heart! Seriously, can you see it? Oh my god, that's so cool!
Yeah, these jackets really are hot.
Get a photo. Have you got? Can you take a photo? Because I'm on video, so I can't. I love her. Oh, I'm gonna get in the photo, and then I'll take one of you two in it. You two stand next to it. It's upside down, but you can just rotate it. I wonder if like we'll film the rain.
It made it so Sophie. Right.
Oh my god. Did that just go straight on your shorts?
No, it's going down.
Go crazy. Ah! Your ass is so...
Is my makeup on?
No, it hasn't. It's mine.
You're joking. No. It's mine. No.
No. Oh, it's all blurry. It's got water on it.
Somehow.
Got a tent.
When's Chris going to sing it? I don't know. I tried to ring him. I rang him like an hour ago. Down here somewhere. I rang him like an hour. Can I borrow your phone to ring him?
I'm really wet.
Do you have his number? No, it's down.
I'm really wet.
Do you have his number? Do you have his number?
I'm really wet.
Well, you don't need Chris' number. Me!
What?
We need Chris' number out.
Oh yeah, you make me wet.
Save that number on the phone. Say, what number is it? Is it 07951 336219?
Yes. Like a little kid, Hayley.
Oh yeah!
Gamey, give me your answer too. I'm half crazy for the love of you. It will be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage, but you look sweet. I'm on the seat of a bicycle made for two. I know, it's good, isn't it?
Sit in it?
No, you fucking sit in it. Come here, I want to get a close in as Freddie. This is Freddie the alien.
No, it's got this signal or something.
Freddie the alien. Fred, but we couldn't fit Freddie in. But it's Freddie, isn't he sexy?
Hell yeah. Take a picture.
Sexual.